Good morning. In our discussion on the BubbleSort. Already we have discussed about linear search. So our same code and modify. Actually, BubbleSort and algorithm we have written here. So BubbleSort means nearby elements will be checked. So in the case of BubbleSort, if we have an array, nearby elements will be checked, and we have option that if during one pass, if we are not swapping any elements, we can stop that. So this is algorithm. So it start from this is array, and this is the size of the array. So I want to traverse from first element to the last element. It will be traversing. Okay, flag will be set. This flag is to identify whether swapping occurs or not. Okay. So I have another J loop. So using this loop, I'm going to sort the elements. So it will be starting from 0, and it will not take the last element. So what it is doing, first element will be checked the second element will be checked the third element, like that. So just before the last element, that element, the second last element will be checked with the last element. It's like that. So it will be compared. If a of j is greater than a of j plus 1, then we have to swap the elements. If I want to check whether swapping is occurring or not. If swapping is occurring, then flag value will be set as 2. Okay. So if swapping occurs, so I want to repeat it again and again. Okay. If swapping is not happening, then flag value will be 1, not 2. So that in that case, I can break the loop, and I don't want to repeat it n times. Actually, this initial loop is been moving from n or s times. It is moving, but we don't want to repeat that much if the list is already sorted. So that's the option for BubbleSort. So the normal case. Time complexity, when we consider the time complexity for BubbleSort, if the list is sorted, this loop will go only in this loop, and it will terminate. So the time complexity will be big O of n or big O of s. In this case is s, so it's going up to s. So and the worst case time complexity of BubbleSort is big O of n square. Okay, so I want to implement this code. I have taken the same file that we have implemented linear search. I just changed the algorithm. So we have the code. So we have to include the header files. So I have elements. S is the element to be searched. So this is the previous code. Okay. So I'm just going to change that code now. So we have to implement BubbleSort now. BubbleSort. Okay. So array will be there. Size will be also passed. The same code I'm going to write here. So I have write 2 for loops. So when we are converting the algorithm to program, nothing to do, just want to copy that content and change the syntax. So we have a loop that is going from I is going up to s times. Then we have to use another inner loop for j equal to int j equal to 0, j is less than s minus 1, j plus plus. It is again. Okay. So before batching this video, you must go through the linear search algorithm. Otherwise, you will get confused. Then we want to compare. If a of I, a of j is greater than a of j plus 1, a of j plus 1, and then I want to perform swapping. So I want to declare a temporary variable. Temporary variable is being created. So then temp equal to a of j. A of j is equal to a of j plus 1, then a of j plus 1 equal to 10. So we have the algorithm implemented, and we need a flag value. So flag is being declared, and it will be initialized whenever the loop starts. Flag will be set as 1, and if it is performing the swapping, then flag will be set as 2. Flag will be set as 2. So after completing this for loop, I will be checking the flag value. If flag equal to 1, then no swapping happens, so we can break that. Loop will be break out. So this is a statement. So this function don't need to return anything, so I will be changing that to 1. So this is the code. So we have the main also. So I have the size of the array. Sizes, so the array reader. I have created the array. Next elements to be searched. Element, and I want to enter the elements into the array. So elements entered. So after that, none of these lines. So I just want to change the code. Okay. So this function I want to call is BubbleSort. BubbleSort. Array is there, then size of the array is also passed. So after that, I just want to print whether the list is sorted or not. So I will be just copying this code. So we can copy these lines and we will say sorted list is this one. Sorted array is. So instead of printf, I am going to use scanf. I am going to use printf. Change the address layer file. So that much the code. So BubbleSort. So I have saved that as BubbleSort. So file has been saved already. So this is a program code. Now we just want to run that code. We'll go to command prompt. We'll go to central desktop. So inside the I'm going to compile. BubbleSort compile. So something is missed. Check that. So forget to put the semicolon here. Save that. We again compile it. So we can check the line number 39. So we go to line number 39. So here also semicolon is been missing. We save that. Compile it again. So it's compiling. If you want to run the code, so you enter the size of the array 5. So I am going to give elements 12, 1, 6, 8, 9. Sorted list is 1, 6, 8, 9, 12. So we can give it a semicolon. So the list is being sorted 1, 6, 8, 9, 12. Thank you.